Alright, so essentially I'm going to teach you how to make a brush for Blender. And this comes in handy when you run out of brushes, or you can't think of something, or you just want to be creative. But it's essential to know how to make a brush in Blender. So the first thing we're going to need is a shape. I'll show you what maybe a cool shape is. First off, let's click this and let's go into edit mode. You can't go wrong with this, okay? It'll just make an ugly brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like that. Maybe one right there. Nice. Okay, jump into top view, turn on X-ray. Grab all these, scale them down. Grab all these, scale them down. Move these. Move these. And I just want to make sure I'm in the positive Z. I am. Good. So what I want to do is just grab this vertex here. Just pull it up. If you're having a hard time seeing, it kind of looks like this. Okay. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to turn it into this. So let's go to multi-res and hit multi-res. Subdivide it. Subdivide it. Okay, essentially I have something like this. I'll keep subdividing it until I get something super smooth. I do like it. It does need a little bit more oomph. There we go. Yeah, I like that better. Even needs more oomph. More oomph. Yeah, that's oomph right there. Alright, so I have this shape. Kind of looks like a shark fin. Okay. I'm going to duplicate it. Put one right here. Put one right here. Alright, and all three of these, I'm going to apply these at once. So just make sure all the subdivides are gone. Nice clean geometry. Alright, so essentially that's how you get to the first part. You need some kind of piece of geometry that you're going to turn into a brush, and it'll make more sense as I go on.